be making a little trip up to Tennessee toward Jackson area. We're gonna go up there, and TC Sawmills, Thomas is doing a sawmill show up there this weekend. Tomorrow we're gonna go join them. Thomas is gonna be there, of course. He's hosting the show, but his dad with the 2220 mill, and Joe Main will be there. Mr. Thomas told me that. And we're going to do a little cutting. I'm sure he's going to have a few giveaways and things like that. We got the whole clan with us. Mason and Madeline and Steph over there. What do you say, Madeline? Say hello. No, she's being shy. That jugger right there ain't been shy. But anyhow, we're going to go up there and do that and shoot some video and try to get some pretty good footage of what all's going on. Those sawmill shows is usually a pretty good time, very informative. But we'll have some videos from there, and got the trailer behind us back there. We plan on coming back with several nice logs. We got one 30-inch, 21 or 22 foot long poplar log we're gonna bring back. Maybe it'll have rainbow in it, but it's a little ride. It's about a 6-hour ride from down there on the coast of Mississippi, so it's a little small vacation for us in the middle of the summer, but go up here and enjoy ourselves, do a little fishing, and hopefully meet some pretty good people at this show. Y'all ride along. We're gonna try to do it to it. More noise than a stinking V6 with glass packs and busted exhaust. Yeah, nice.
You driving a fast car?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Blowing your engine?
You gonna blow the engine up?
I got that rubber job. You did, Mommy, did. You did,
last mile and a half of the ride, and boy am I glad to get out this vehicle. 6 hours ain't that bad.
Yeah, but sitting in
until you got these two, you got them two noise boxes back there. You got that.
In a quarter mile, turn left.
Oh, look at that. I didn't take the right turn. Go figure. 6 hour drive and took the wrong turn the last half a mile.
Yeah.
Oh, turned the wrong way. Here, take this.
We almost jackknifed.
Alright, now we're back on course.
Yeah.
But I ain't ever been up here this time of year. They have, I guess, I don't know if it's the nation's biggest yard sale or whatever, but all them signs right there is advertising yard sales. Highway 70 coming from Jackson, Tennessee, going to the east. There's yard sales. Everybody does yard sales. They close this way. Do what now?
Yeah, there's some weed eaters.
Anyways,
Got stuck.
it's yard sales everywhere, and they got anything from toys to clothes to antique furniture and anything you can imagine.
In a quarter mile, turn left.
Antique tools really caught my attention, but I'm ready to get out this vehicle and stretch a leg. I guarantee it, but
Yep.
sure, nice place up here.
Yeah, now we in the bushes.
Now we in the bushes, Mason said.
Turn left.
Now.
Oh, wood sale.
Haha, Thomas.
And Mr. Tom's having a wood sale. Hey, check him. Got a nice place. This is the entrance to the place, but anyhow, that was the trip, and we get back to y'all.
Later tomorrow.
What'd you say later, Gator?
Later tomorrow.
What
See you later tomorrow.
What'd you say?
Later tomorrow. Later tomorrow. Yeah, work hard.
Good morning, y'all. We at Thomas's Sawmill show. Me and Mason, Madeline's come get on the tractor. A lot of stuff for sale. Several different species of slabs. Oh, come on, Madeline. Come on, get up here in the front. Let me slide the seat back. You can see all the wood out there for sale. It's gonna be a little short show today, but we on the tractor right now, and we're gonna come over here to the sawmill shed and get the mill going. We're gonna let Mason film while we're driving the tractor, so it's liable to get a little shaky. Sell bird houses and stuff like that. How you doing this morning? Look, there's our tractor driver.
They're probably going to get some. Oh no, it's not.
I do is roll this blade out until that mark gets back on the ground right there. If you were to measure that out, this is a Timber King 2220 blade and everything. Also fits the 2020 and 2520. It's 178.5 inches. Now, you've got about 3/4 of an inch plus or minus that you have play with, but you want to try to get as close as you can. Yeah, so just by knowing your blade length gives you a lot more opportunity to reach out to other distributors out there or anything and get the blade that best suits the cutting you're trying to do. So match up the blade to the cutting you're going to do. If you're cutting a lot of pine and stuff like that, a 1030 blade will cut 99% of what everyone needs to cut. It's only when you start getting into like live oak, frozen logs, hickory and stuff like that, you might want to look at some other options out there. Now, again, I don't have gloves on, so I'm not going to do it. You can do this trick where you flip the blade in and it rotates everything. Well, the Sawmill show's a wrap. And it was a good time, good show. Cut on the 2220. Cut a couple different species of wood. Elm. There's some poplar. Little rainbow in that. Get it in there. Cut a little box elder. But most of all, we got to meet a few good people. Met Mr. Tony Lay with Tractor Adventures. Joe Main with Wood Miser. Seen them and heard of them, but never got to meet them. I'm glad I got to meet them. Very humble people, good people. And kind of looking forward to the next one whenever Thomas has one. But anyways, y'all, glad y'all joined and was here at the show.